Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn class 11th economics chapter 4 cost and revenue analysis multiple choice questions. Cost refers to price, value, fixed cost, cost of production. The answer cost of production. Cost functions are also known as dash function. Production, investment, demand, consumption. The answer production. Money cost is also known as dash cost. Explicit, implicit, social, real. The answer explicit. Explicit cost plus implicit cost denote dash cost. Social, economic, money, fixer. Economic is the answer. Explicit costs are termed as out-of-pocket expenses, real cost, social cost, sunk cost. The answer out-of-pocket expenses. The costs of self-bound resources are termed as dash cost. Real, explicit, money, implicit. Implicit is the correct answer. The cost that remains constant at all levels of output is dash cost. Fixed, variable, real, social. The answer fixed. Identify the formula of estimating average variable cost. TC by Q, TVC by Q, TFC by Q, TAC by Q. The answer TVC by Q. The cost incurred by producing of more units of output is dash cost. Variable, fixed, marginal, total. The answer marginal. The cost that varies with the level of output is termed as dash cost. Money, variable cost, total cost, fixed cost. The answer total cost. Wage is an example for dash cost of production. Fixed, variable, marginal, opportunity. Variable is the answer. The cost per unit of output is denoted by dash cost. Average, marginal, variable, total. The answer average. Identify the formula of estimating average cost. AVC by Q, TC by Q, TVC by Q, AFC by Q. The answer TC by Q. Find total cost where TFC is equal to 100 and TVC is equal to 125. 125, 175, 225, 325. The answer is 225. Long run average cost curve is also called as dash curve. Demand, planning, production, sales. The answer is planning. Revenue received from the sale of products is known as dash revenue. Profit, total revenue, average, marginal. Total revenue. Revenue received from the sale of additional unit is termed as dash revenue. Profit, average, marginal, total. Marginal is the correct answer. Marginal revenue is the addition made to the total sales, total revenue, total production, total cost. The answer is total revenue. When price remains constant, AR will be dash MR equal to, greater than, less than, not related to. Equal to is the answer. A bookseller sold 40 books with the price of rupees 10 each. The total revenue of the seller is rupees 100, 200, 300, 400. The answer is 400. Thank you very much for your listening.